Okay, guys, I just started the video, but it's okay because not everything needs to be perfect. So let's just go. Go!
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so Zayn and Hamza were bodyguards, but now they're actually gonna go on a flight. Guys, I thought you said this was a private server.
I said to do. Yeah, come.
Okay, Hamza, come. Get in. Come on. Yes! No private server needed, because we did it normally. Wait, guys, now listen. There's no problem with, anybody joining us. Because it's literally just, 3 people. There's no problem. Okay, so... Okay, this is gonna be the funnest of all fun. Wait. Oh my god, I remember that guy. Wakey, eggs and bakey.
I'm not the egg like you.
What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. Let me remind you. We are flying to Rohamas. Get down here. Go find Dad. Let's get dressed. I'm gonna wear the cookie shirt because I love eating them cookies. Oh yeah, I forgot I can't jump off the ladder. Because apparently it's not a normal thing to do. Oh, here's my baggage. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. Dun dun dun. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Burgers for breakfast? That's crazy.
Each one top their lines, okay?
Okay. So I'll be Dad. And myself. What? It's not even Hamza. I don't even remember where my clothes are.
Okay, here's what we are going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing.
Oh yeah! Happy. Happy. I'm just gonna go in the toilet the entire time. Oh yeah. Zena, get out! Guys, get out! I'm literally on the toilet right now. Oh.
Come.
Okay, I'm coming. Sorry, guys. I had to take a little poopy, if you know what I mean. Okay, now there's... Okay, I just hope that I don't get anything on this section. Because I'm not... Why is there... Guys! What? Why is there a duck inside of the toilet that's peeing? I don't really think that's nice, guys. Okay, guys, go. Go! Get out of bed, you guys. You guys sleepyheads. You sleepyhead. Okay.
When the timer ends, you're gonna put something else, suspicious until another one.
So should I just wait until?
No, it's not done. It's not done.
Find this item. I'm pretty sure it's in Zaina's room. Please? Yes, it is. Okay, go. Guys, run like you've never run before.
Yeah. We're not bopping the whole time. You would have not remembered. You would have remembered.
Okay. But I was pooping. Zaina interrupted my pooping session. I'm pretty sure this is in my room. Zaina's room? Yeah, this has... No, it's not in Zaina's room. Oh no. I think I was pooping for too long. I don't think I saw that last one.
Exactly.
This game is like a Darman video. Yeah, oh yeah, guys, if you hear me like with a weird voice or sniffling or coughing, I'm very sick, but I gotta make those videos, you know? Wait, 1 second. That means I can finally say this. Subscribe so I don't die. Let's go to the backyard. What the hell? Why is Hamza inside of the pool already? Wait. Wait, guys, I'm sorry, but... Wait, guys, just make sure that you don't eat the weird burger thing. Because, like... Okay, guys, like, I'm just gonna try and get inside of the... Oh, yeah! Guys, wait, guys, what is this? Hello, it's ZEINA. Hamza. Like, how are we not drowning already? I want a burger. I want a burger. I do. I'm so hungry. All right then. Sit on the picnic table. Hamza, just get out of the underwater party already. Someone's enjoying the party a little bit too much. Okay, I hope I don't get the poison burger. Please. Oh, ZEINA didn't get the poison burger. Oh, Hamza, I think you're cooked. What? What? No, all of us got good burgers.
Wait, Baba, are you gonna eat all of this by yourself?
You fatty. Give me back the food. Give me it back. I'm so hungry. I want to eat my burger again. What? How do you guys still have your burger? Like I don't have mine anymore. That's not fair. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the... Wow! Can you imagine saving a plane? However, the president said in conference, as we...
That's not starting from how the spirit, Cuba. Yeah. The police runs ever.
Wait, ZEINA. Wait, ZEINA, Hamza. ZEINA, Hamza. Like, can you imagine, like, how much more, like, the voices are gonna be clear when I actually come to Egypt? It's gonna be so clear.
Gosh. Wait, you just said...
Yeah, what?
Unless
Yes, follow me. Follow Dad. Wait, I think nobody got the poison burger, right? Hamza, it says follow Dad, not follow Hamza. ZEINA. I think ZEINA has a bad feeling about this. Oh no.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen?
So slow.
Oh, that is so slow. I can really walk at the same level as him and still be slow.
احنا بابا هياكل فول وفلافل من اوبريشن فلافل.
خلاص
انت عايز تاكل ايه؟ لازم you have to order now.
برياني؟
برياني ايه؟ جزيرو؟ ايه تاني يا برياني؟
تورتيلا. تورتيلا؟
بيحطني دول. بتسوق قدام فاضي.
Hardee's?
Yeah, that's
Hardee's.
Yeah, that's inside your ear.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Wait, what? Oh, I'm gonna get inside of my plane. Oh, guys, please be careful this time. Guys, listen. Please be careful on the plane because there has been some incidents where we die on the plane and the video is not even 10 minutes yet. So if we die before 13 minutes, I'm gonna be very sad and angry. And then I'm gonna eat you guys. Oh, I'm gonna turn you into the poison burger.
That's where's the exit? Baba, who's the team? Yeah.
Wait, guys, Hamza, Hamza, ZEINA, like, are any of you guys still sick?
I'm kind of sick. Let me know.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Also,
We didn't know that.
wait, guys. Also, like, can you be not, guys? Listen. Guys, listen. Like, can you not be like too loud? Because if you're too loud, then it won't be that clear in the video if you're really loud. So like, just be like a little quiet, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, and also one thing that's gonna be even worse than having like a not clear audio is dying. So please do not die.
Unless I'm sick.
Okay. Hamza.
Yeah.
Like, do you remember when like you and me said that we were gonna make like the perfect animation, that like a together, but like on my tablet it wasn't working.
Yeah.
My old tablet's completely broke, and I lost almost all of the marker animations.
خلاص اجيب لك برياني.
No.
برياني بس مش هجيب باتر تشيكن هو برياني بس.
Okay. Sorry.
ولا برياني وباتر تشيكن.
Okay. Yeah, guys, wait, no, ZEINA. I lost almost all of the marker animations, but I still have number 4, and I only kept number 4 because it has all of the characters' designs in it.
Yeah. Hopefully nobody saw you. That's supposed to be baseball. I was going up and down.
What? How did no one?
Yes.
Hey guys, like, how did no one see us?
Okay. Boom.
Oh yeah. Bro, why is Hamza speed running, bro? Why is Hamza speed running getting to the airport? Like, wait 1 second, bro. Wait, guys.
يلا يا بابا يلا.
That was so funny. Come on, truck, hit me, truck. Oh, I guess the truck doesn't want to hit me, but they hit Hamza for some reason. Flight 7616 to the Bahamas. That's our flight. I already have my tickets. Get yours before the plane takes off without us.
You have yours, yani.
So how do we get our ticket? You need a ticket to go through. Okay, so drop your bag. So like, should you drop your baggage inside? Or is it too early to drop your baggage? No, I'm gonna put my baggage inside now. Yay, I got a ticket.
I didn't.
You need a ticket to pass through? I already have my ticket. Oh my god, I'm with Dad.
Okay.
Wait, guys, why is Dad transparent? Why is Dad transparent? Like I'm going through him, and I can literally go through him. Wait, why is Hamza also transparent? I can literally go through him. Wait, guys, is it Dad or Yahya?
No here.
Hey, guys.
I don't have my bag.
Is it Dad or Yahya? I've turned into Dad. No, Dad, come back.
Get in. Yeah. I'm stuck in the outside.
What do you mean you're stuck in? Did you even get your ticket? ZEINA. First, like, you just need to drop your baggage and then you get your ticket.
I don't have my bag.
What?
I don't have my bag.
What do you mean you don't have your bag?
Into your pockets.
What?
Go, just go.
No! No!
Going home.
Zaina, no! No!
Yeah, I know.
No! Zaina, bro, like, how are you gonna get out? Oh! Zaina's here. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. What's not right, huh? Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. Guys,
What?
what's gonna go on? Oh, why is there police, bro? Why is there police? Bro, what? No, actually, what's going on? You're going to have to come with us. I'm literally a kid, bro.
Exactly.
What do you mean I need to go to jail? I'm too young to go to jail. Is there a problem, officers? Yes, you. All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait here until we get the paperwork ready. We're literally kids, bro.
Exactly, we're just kids.
Why does Zaina have a weapon? Oh, from here. I knew it was a bad idea. No, it's not your fault. It's the officer's fault. And that's why we're gonna kill him. Yeah?
It's leaving.
The plane is leaving?
That's in the I think.
Oh no, guys. Wait, is that a supervillain?
Oh.
Last one! My plan is finally complete!
Hey bro, Bibi, I'm alive.
Oh no. Bro, what is going on? Go away, Skeletox. Are you enjoying the show, humans? No! No, don't do this! Your world will soon be property of the undead. First, I used angry humans to help build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. Well, that was boring to read.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you will be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. That was the boringest thing that we had to read inside of the entire game.
Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna fly with the plane, yeah?
Isn't he like too heavy to go on the plane though?
Wait, what? What is going on?
Oh no. Wait, they're evil this time. They're evil. Look at them. Oh no. I don't think those are cops. I don't think those cops are friendly. You think, Yahya? You think, Yahya? Kill them! Guys, actually kill them. Hamza, come help. Hamza, help. Guys, we need to kill them all. Zaina, run. Like, your health is very, very low. Oh, Zaina's health is cooked.
Yeah, then you should, like, go away, bro. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, like, just stay in the corner until your health comes back. Because... Wait, there's vents.
Guys, climb this. Yeah, climb this. Jump here. Here.
Why is Zaina, like, memorize the obby? I can't even get inside. Oh, guys. Look, guys, we found an open vent. Oh, it just skipped right through. We need to get out of here. Quick. Wait, guys, where's Dad?
Guys, where's Dad?
He's... You need to keep going without me. Oh no, guys, he's cursing the skeleton, bro. No. Bro, no! Not Dad! Not Dad! Guys, come on. Oh, we need to go. Zaina, come on. You have to come, even though it's sad. We need to go. Wait, is that my bag right there? It is.
Yes.
They took my bag.
What happened to me?
Bro, Hamza, just come back up the obby.
مين جنرال بوش ده؟ Who's General Ponochko ده?
Ponochko is crazy. Bro, kill him. Wait, I think he's a good guy. It looks like I'm late to the party.
Who is not?
I'm Pakanakoto, ex-general of the Robalaxia States Army.
I am sorry.
I heard from you in the news. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We're the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. Oh no. Zena, I told you should have not hidden them so much. Look at your health. You were going to die against Skeletox.
Guys, that.
Hamza, come on. We must defeat Skeletox.
Baba's dead.
Bro, خلاص, Bob's dead, bro. Wait, guys, it's Skeletox, I think.
What? Baba died.
Guys, who's this guy? Who's this guy? No, that's not Skeletox. A Skeletox is bigger. Be careful. This guy might be infected. See, I told you it wasn't Skeletox. It's probably gonna be our dad. Wait, who is that? Hello, General. Remember me? Oh my god, it's Ronald, guys. Ronald McDonald. No way. You're supposed to be dead.
It's Ronaldo.
Bro, it literally says Ronald. What's Ronaldo? What the hell? Oh my god. When my dark side attacked the president. No, I can't even read it, bro. That made my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying about us. To us. Wait, guys, that means if we defeat Skeletox, that means we can get... Zena, stop jumping on the camera. I can't even see anything. Zena, actually stop, bro. Did you just jump on the camera? Bro, Zena, stop trying to... Oh no, follow General Poncho. Poncho.
General Poncho. Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, silly.
Yeah, really, that's Ronaldo.
We should go with General Poncho. Stay out of our way, Ronald. We are saving the world. Zena, bro, stop. It's a serious moment and you keep jumping on the camera.
And Abby? What is it made?
Bro, yes. Bro, why is there all these cutscenes? Oh no, it's all the evil people. They found us. Guys, run. Oh no, I think the Gdag energy is following me. Guys, I'm turning evil. I'm turning evil, guys. I'm turning evil, guys. What the heck? Yeah.
Like, are you dead?
No.
The airplane. Like, kind of.
No, I'm just finding the exit. I just keep following these glowy planes. I just keep following these. Oh. No! It's Skeletox. What is this place? It looks like an evil Altalaran.
I want to say something. I bet Skeletox is Baba.
What? Bro, Skeletox is not gonna be Baba, bro. Bro,
I bet
no.
it's Baba.
Skeletox is not gonna be our dad. No. Ah! Bro, what just happened? No, it's all of the good people.
Baba. Baba, Habibi.
Guys, I'm gonna take the sword.
Where?
Over here. The sword. I can't take it.
Baba.
Oh no.
Baba.
Ronald! You were right, General. What? Just that? Oh my. Pilot Kenley? I thought she was dead. Nah, she's just part of my big plan. Baba! It's gonna be Baba, right? No, it's just Jack, bro. Who's Jack? And that guy.
That's Cruise. It's from the Cruise story. Yeah.
Wait, from the who?
The Cruise story.
Oh.
We complete after, I guess. Let out of his general. It's a trap.
It's too late. Yeah, guys, it's too late. Ah! No, give me my sword. Hey, yo, what is this mess? What the hell? Zena, please don't die. Like, it's because you already have low health. And Hamza literally got hit by a truck. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it to myself. But now I do. Get ready to be harvested too. What is that? Poop. Zena, what did I just tell you? Like, and you still have lower health. This is why I don't trust people with low health. I'm gonna kill you, Zena. Is he gonna fart? Bro, wait. Is he gonna fart us out? What is he doing? Hey, yo, what the hell? Is he gonna poop on us? Bro, is he literally gonna poop on us? What is going on? Oh, I just took the sword. Well, how do I kill him? Dana, I literally told you to stay away from danger, and you're not. This is why you died.
I did.
No, you
I did, but it was no problem. I did, but like was just such closest he did.
Oh, Hamza. Every time he bends over, then just like attack him, okay? Like attack his arm. Oh, it's so loud. Okay. Bro. Oh, Hamza, yalla. Attack him. Oh, never mind. It didn't work. I don't know why. Oh, it's so hard to go hit him.
Yeah, can I say something?
Oh yeah, what?
What's happened to Baba?
Bro, he's dead.
I bet you Baba is Skeletox.
Bro, how is our dad gonna turn into this guy? Ah! Bro, he literally just attacked me. Dub. Slibbity dub. Yes. Bro, Hamza's getting cooked. Hamza, not now. This is not the right moment, bro. Yes, we did it.
When was he died?
Bro, when is this guy gonna die, bro?
Exactly. Skeletons is Baba.
Bro, Skeletons.
Skeletons is not Baba.
Bro, Skeletons. Bro, do you really think this big skeleton monster is gonna be our dad? It's so unrealistic, ZEINA. Oh, he just hit me. Hamza. Only hits him when he like itches his head, like, and then he bends over completely. Like, not now. No. Oh, when he does the weird thing with his head and then he slams his head into the ground, then hits him. Wait, I think it's gonna be now. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, no, never mind. Wait, like, let's wait for the weird head thing. Now go. Oh, bro, what the hell? I think it's now. Okay, Hamza. Okay, Hamza, now just avoid everything until like the very last head shake, okay? And then start hitting. Because like it doesn't work until the very last head shake.
Okay. I feel bad for Dana, pretty. Ouch.
Oh no, Hamza has red health. Wait, Hamza, I think I need a peach eggplant you. Oh, what the hell? Yeah.
Is Ronaldo alive?
I don't think so.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
He is? Oh yeah, he is. Ronaldo! No, not Ronaldo. My glorious king.
Ronaldo's dead. Yeah, ZEINA.
He's dead?
He doesn't like you.
Oh, Hamza, weird head thing. I think it's now.
Now I'm running to die.
Wait. No, now. I think it's now. Hamza, it's now. Stop running away, bro. Now.
Die. You go up and check. Go on.
Bro, how do we kill him? He has so much health. Oh yeah, Hamza, he's dead. Skeletox, bye, Skeletox, bye. Bye, Habibi, bye. I think we should save, like, Hamza, we did it. You did it, soldiers. Skeletox is gone for good. See, ZEINA, I told you Skeletox is not our dad, bro. Bro, Skeletox is not our dad. See? Donald Trump? What the hell? Bro, Ronaldo! Bro, Ronaldo is here! Ronaldo! And where's our dad? Bro,
Baba died.
Bro, Ronald Trump! Where's our dad? Ronald Trump! I've been trying to finish with Skeletox for a long time.
What is that?
Bro, where's...
Wait. What the fuck?
Bro, no. Our dad died. No. Wait, who's over there? What's up, family? Did you miss me? Daddy! Wait. No way. Hello, dog. I missed you.
Is that what it is?
Wait, is that our mom? That's our mom. Wait, Kelly is our mom? Hi, guys. We found our mom, too. Guys, finally. This is the true ending. Like, this is the ultimate ending. Wait, the general is gone? Yeah. Ronaldo! Ronaldo! This is the fake Ronaldo. Like, this is Ronaldo Trump, and this is Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo! That was such a good game. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was such a Bro, that was such a good game. That was the Diddy list of all Diddy's games. Okay, guys.
ZEINA said anything first much better than Preston.
No. I'm sorry, Zeno, that's not true.
Yeah. The end of the video, also.
Well, now I am. So, peace out, guys. That was very fun. And if you want to see us play any more games, just comment down below. So, peace out. Goodbye.